Russia won't stop the invasion of Ukraine today, Russian Defense Ministry Sergei Shoigu said it on July 5, 2022. The main topic of the speech of the Ministry of Defense of the Russian Federation during a conference call with the leadership of armed forces talked about the situation of enemies of date. Unit of the Russian armed forces together with the people militias of the Lugansk and Donetsk People Republic are expanding their control over the territories of Donbass. Lugansk People Republic have been completely liberated in the past 2 weeks. 670 square kilometers of its territory have been liberated. The collective West, hoping the prolong of the conflict in Ukraine, continues large-scale arms deliveries to Kiev regime. More than 28,000 tons of military supplies have been already delivered to the country. Some foreign arms supplied by the west of Ukraine are reportedly spreading across the Middle East region and also reaching the black market. A successful offensive by the Russian army and the units of the People Republic has reduced the number of foreign mercenaries and private military companies operating in the country. In the last 10 days, 170 mercenaries have been killed and 99 have refused to take part in hostilities and have left Ukrainian territory. A range of measures are being implemented to ensure the safety of navigation in the waters of the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov. The Russian armed forces have created 2 humanitarian corridors for the movement of civilians' maritime vessels. The mine threat in the waters and the port of Mariupol has been completely eliminated. Engineering troops are clearing mines and explosives from the territories of the Donetsk and Lugansk People Republics. More than 3,700 hectares now have been checked. 56,379 explosive objects have been detected and deactivated. Russian troops are providing comprehensive support to the population of liberated city. Peaceful life will continue to be ensured in territories controlled by the Russian troops. Sergei reported that the special military operation will continue until the tasks set by the Supreme Commander-in-Chief have been completed.